I do use a lot of document merging, especially when we need to generate some some Excel file or CSV file out for other departments. And then I know that there's a business rule over there and then the operation rule over there. I just convert all these rule into Python programming using if else, and then I just run it. I just run the Python file, and then it automatically help me to pull the particular data that I need. Then I just combine them, create a report, and I automatically send them out to email, which it can be done within few minutes. If by human eyeballs, I need to go through one document by one document, it will take me more than hours for me to finally get out the reports. So the next one, task automations, FTP. So imagine, I want to download something, okay? I want to download file from a website. Downloading one file is easy, but if I want to download a lot of files, I need to click one file by one file from the user interface to download. Imagine you can use Python to download all the files that you want from the website. I'll just show you one. So I go to malaysiastock.biz. So this is a website when you want to learn about what's going on for this stock. Okay, I'm not going to talk about stock today, but I'm going to teach you how do you extract to download all the PDF file that you want. For example, I'm going to download the annual reports over here. I have 3 annual reports, and then I want to download the last 5 years. Okay, download annual reports. Okay, clean. Okay. So what happens here is I have 3 libraries over here. The first library is called Beautiful Soup. Okay, it's not something that you are going to drink. It's a library for you to extract anything from the website. So it's a web scraping tool. You can extract anything using this library. And then request is something you want to hit on the website to get something back. RE is regular expressions. Later, before we end this webinar, I will talk about regular expressions, and then it's not a programming language, so no worries, but it's a very useful, I would say it's a very useful tool for you to extract something, especially when you need to do some tasks related to natural language or any text related stuff. You need to use regular expressions. For people that want to go into data science or data engineer or data analysis, I will say that most of the time you need to deal with regular expressions. So you need to brush up on this one. Later, I will give you one website where you can play around with that and then learn from there. So this link, this is a variable, and then this is the link. Where do I get this link? I copy from here. So this is the link. I save this link inside a variable, and then I use request library. Let me run this one. I use request library and .get. I want to get this home page. So the thing that I will get is something like this. This is the HTML code from the website. Okay, I'm not going to go through this one. So request.get will get everything from the code that I shared you just now and store inside response. Let me run this one. So I use Beautiful Soup, and then I use the response, the content from the content, which is this content, and then I pass it with HTML. The reason why I use this one is because once I pass it using Beautiful Soup, I can do a simple query to extract this particular data that I want. But before I'm able to extract, I need to determine what is the regular expressions. Okay, I will show you the trick. If you don't have Chrome, please install Chrome. If you don't like Chrome, please install Mozilla Firefox, because there's this one tool called Inspect, and then you automatically open up this thing. I want to get if you show the HTML code over here, I want to get I want to download the file over here, and then in order for me to know that which sections of code it lie within this one, I can use this small button over here. So there's a box with a mouse cursor. Click on this one and just mouse over, and then you can see that the elements will change according to the mouse movement. So I want to get this one, the corporate PDF file. Click on this one, and then I know that this is the file that I want to download. And from here, I know that it lies within this block of code. And then this is my query. So what happens here is, this is my pattern. So DIVAR1015 is pointing to this chunk of code. And then I have them in pointing, okay, this is, can you see, this is 2019, and then the next one is 2018, which is the same PDF file which is highlighted inside the web applications, and then I know that I'm on the right track. So this is to extract anything that come with DIVAR1015, and then I just need to replace the year. So this chunk of code, it will help me to download all the PDF file inside each of the sections. Now let me run this one. Okay, it's downloading all the PDF file already. So I'm downloading from 2018 to 2014. Then I save inside my PDF reports folder, and I got all my PDF file over here. Let's say I don't want to study on this stock. I want to go for Nestle. Okay. Now where is my? This is my annual reports. I view. Sorry. Inspect the element. So I click on this button with the mouse cursor, and then I just hover. Okay, I know that, you see, previously we have VAR1015, and then now we have DIVAR4707. So we will need to change this one to 4047. At the same time, you will need to copy the link, replace this link. Now run this one again. It's not downloading. Wait, let me check. DIV 470. Oh, my mistake. 4707. Now it's downloading all the PDF file from the websites already. Do I have 2014, 2018? And then now I got all my PDF from here. Imagine you will need to scan through a lot of items out there inside your web applications, and then you need to download all the files every single day. And this is where you can use Python to help you to download anything from here. And this is how powerful with Python. You just need to understand, okay, let me show you something. The fundamental of programming which I shared just now. So this is variable. This is for loop. This is if else condition. Okay. See, you can't run away from all of these variables, conditions, if else, and then for loop. You can't run away from different from the fundamental for programming. All programming is built from all these things. It's the only thing is you just need to know how to structure your code in order for it to run line by line and then to get what you want.